How to justify text in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to justify text in Notion. So, if you love a clean and polished look for your documents, this trick is definitely for you. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Notion homepage. Once you're there, click on the Login button to access your workspace. You'll see a few sign-in options, and for ease, I recommend choosing Continue with Google. Just pick your account and you're in. Now, open an existing page or click plus new page to start fresh. Type or paste the text that you want to justify. Here's the catch: Notion doesn't have a built-in justify option, but we're going to work around that with a simple layout trick. Start by creating 2 extra text blocks. These will act as invisible spacers. Type anything in them, for now it doesn't matter. Then, look for the 6 dots to the left of each block. Click and drag one to the left side of your main text and the other to the right. Now delete the placeholder text in those side blocks. You'll be left with your main text in the center. Hover over its borders until you see a thin vertical line, then drag to adjust the width. This visually justifies your text by balancing it on the page. And that's it. Highlight your text if you want to emphasize it further. It's a clever trick that makes your pages look clean and well structured. That's all for the video.